good evening. Naveen Kumar Roy, General Manager NABARD. Here we are at Gramin Bharat Mahotsav, Northeast. Today is 4th day and we are at Indoor Stadium grounds, Ganesh Mandir, Khanapara. We are privileged to have more than 100 stalls this time, including one startup pavilion and one GI pavilion. As you are aware, this Mahotsav is being organized to bring together artisans from across Northeast, and we are proud to share that almost all states have been represented in this Mela. Besides, there are stalls from our own Assam, different states. Assam State Rural Livelihood Mission is also there. We have the Spices Board, the Coconut Board. We also have Reserve Bank of India stalls. So if you have some soil notes, some पुराने आपके पास नोट है, कटे फटे हैं, तो आइए यहाँ पे आप चेंज करके हम नया नोट ले जा सकते हैं। आपको यदि चेंजेस की ज़रूरत है, 5 रुपये 10 रुपये कॉइन, वो भी आप यहाँ से ले सकते हैं। जो भी ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं, ये उनके लिए ज़बरदस्त अट्रैक्शन है। आप सिडबी का स्टॉल भी यहाँ दे सकते हैं। आप यहाँ पे हमारे ट्रेडिशनल फूड आइटम्स हैं, जो टिकाली पीठा से लेकर हमारे तमाम स्मोक्ड फूड होते हैं, उनका भी आनंद यहाँ लेकर सकते हैं। और आप यू कैन ऑल्सो इन्जॉय सम ऑफ द बीवरेजेस जो कि यहाँ के ट्रेडिशनल फ्रूट्स से एंड एग्री प्रोड्यूस से बना है, राइस बियर इंक्लूडिंग स्टॉल्स विच हैव कम फ्रॉम मेघालय, एंड वी हैव ट्रेडिशनल ड्रिंक्स ऑल्सो लाइक जुडीमा एंड अदर्स. दैट इज़ हाउ वी आर ट्राइंग टू स्टिच टुगेदर दिस ग्रामीण भारत महोत्सव. एंड आई वुड लाइक टू शेयर दैट ऑन 4th of January, Prime Minister Modi, he has inaugurated the first Gramin Bharat Mahotsav at New Delhi, and this is the second program, and simultaneously in Bihar, in Madhya Pradesh, this Gramin Bharat Mahotsav has travelled, and we are organizing it for the first time. Earlier NABARD used to do NABARD Karigar Mela. Now it is the Gramin Bharat Mahotsav, Northeast, Guwahati, 8th to 16th February. Today is 11th. Gramin Bharat Mahotsav is free for entry. Any citizen, anybody can come in, and it's not only a seller's point. यहाँ सिर्फ सामान आप नहीं खरीदते, यहाँ आप सीखते भी हैं. यहाँ पैनल डिस्कशन होता है, यहाँ कल्चरल इवनिंग होता है. ये पूरे परिवार का इवेंट है. आप पूरी शाम यहाँ बिता सकते हैं, अपने पसंद के खाने खा सकते हैं, अपने पसंद के पेय पदार्थ पी सकते हैं, रंगारंग नृत्य का कार्यक्रम, संगीत का कार्यक्रम का आनंद उठा सकते हैं. आप यहाँ पर आकर अपने फैमिली को फुल वैल्यू ऑफ टाइम दे सकते हैं. Here we have panels. Today we had the panel on agri startup. Tomorrow we are working on GI, that is geographical indicator. You are aware in Assam, and we have more than 30 GI now. GI certification of Assam Jhapi, Pani Metika products. We have missing textiles. We have Bihu Dhol. We have Satarberry metal craft. We have Asarkandi terracotta. All of them that are now GI products. And similarly, there are products which are there from the agriculture side, like our Joha, our tea. So you can come and see that what these GI products mean, how they are special to us. And this is also part of heritage product of Assam, which are now being brought to mainstream so that there is a market available to it. Similarly, day after tomorrow we have a program which is scheduled for celebrating the national language Hindi, panel discussion on that, after followed by bringing focus to development in Northeast. There will be eminent panelists who will be taking part into it, and on the last day we will be looking at the rural SME. There is a micro, small and medium SME. So rural SME, which are like our artisans, like our weavers, their units, how we can support them, what are the enabling policies of Government of India, that is, and Government of Assam, NABARD, SIDBI, NEDFI, all of that, and bankers put together how we are trying to support our rural economy. That is all in place. NABARD has been supporting the state government through infrastructure finance. More than 10,000 crore of rupees every year we pump into the rural infrastructure for roads, bridges, irrigation systems, and various medical colleges, college of sericulture, things like that. So that is one infrastructure financing that NABARD is into. We also take care of the regional rural banks as well as cooperative bank, the health of the cooperative banks we take care. And you must be aware that PAX computerization program is going on. A lot of efforts are being made to rejuvenate the PAX and the cooperative sector. NABARD is working very closely onto that under Government of India program with able support from the state government. Then we come to the developmental initiative. A lot of developmental work is being taking place by NABARD in the state of Assam, whether it is tribal development or watershed development or farmer producer organization, skill development, GI certification, post-GI activities, authorized usership. There are many programs on millets that gave us a lot of products, as well as now we are trying to focus on many more new products like pulses, and we are trying to put our foot together with the state government's policies and aspirations and objectives so that we can work in tandem with the state government. You see, this Gramin Bharat Mahotsav is also a developmental initiative of NABARD, where we get our artisans coming across from the length and breadth of the country. Here also in this Gramin Bharat Mahotsav, like earlier years, Rajasthan is represented, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, all of the Uttarakhand, they have been represented here ably, and they are displaying their own produce. So our artisans from Assam, our artisans from northeastern states are learning from other states people. There is an inbuilt mechanism where they are learning from each other. Peer learning is happening here. Then networking is happening. A lot of people are coming with queries and they are going away with giving them orders. Our artisans are getting orders. My off-farm producer organization from Silchar is also here. Silnima off-farm producer. This is a weavers organization, all women weavers. They have been funded by Assam Gramin Vikas Bank and Union Bank of India, and they are doing well. They are diversifying their produce. Earlier they used to only weave the wraparound or Manipuri wraparound, but now they have handkerchiefs, they have shirting material, they have bed sheets, they have cushion covers. So many diversification of products are there, and I am happy and proud to share that Silnima got the first prize from Northeast in the Gramin Bharat Mahotsav at New Delhi, and where the award was given by none other than the finance minister herself. So that is a proud moment for NABARD, because that off-farm producer organization has been supported by NABARD. So FPOs, off-farm POs across the length and breadth of rural sector, NABARD is there. Thank you so much.